Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are gonna draw and color Pocoyo and his friends. Let's draw Pocoyo first in the middle. I draw his eyes, his small nose, and his smiling mouth. I draw his face, and then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. Now let's draw Nina here. I start by drawing her eyes, then her cute nose, and her widely open, smiling mouth. I draw the shape of her face, then her hair, and finally her funny hat. Let's continue with Elly the elephant. I start with her eyes, her head, and her elephant nose. She has two big ears. Let's draw Loula the dog. I draw her eyes and her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her two ears. Let's finish the drawing part with Pato the duck. I start with his big eyes. He is wearing a hat on the top of his head. Now let's draw his beak and his neck. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. Then I use light red for his mouth. His outfit is blue, so I am going to color his hat with this blue marker. I color Nina's skin with the same cream marker. And I use light red for her mouth. For her hair, I am going to use the color red. She is wearing a green outfit, so I am going to color her hat with this light green color. Let's color Elly. She is a pink elephant, so I am going to use this beautiful pink marker to color all of her head. Here comes Loula. I color her face with this light brown marker. For her ears, I use this darker shade of brown. Finally, let's color Pato. I use orange for his beak. He is a yellow duck, so I color his skin with this yellow marker. And I color his hat with dark green. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.